Food. It's something we often take for granted. We grab a bite on the go, quickly finish our plates, and move on with our busy lives. But food is more than just fuel. It's a precious gift, a fundamental human need, and a vital part of our planet's delicate balance. Every meal, every bite is a hidden blessing that deserves our respect and appreciation. We need to remember where our food comes from and the journey it takes to reach our tables. It's easy to forget that behind every ingredient is a story of hard work, dedication, and the wonders of nature. By understanding the true value of food, we can start to change our relationship with it, wasting less and appreciating more. Food connects us all. It nourishes our bodies and brings people together. It's time we start treating it with the respect it deserves. By making conscious choices about how we consume and value food, we can create a better future for ourselves and generations to come. Let's rediscover the hidden blessing on our plates and start valuing food for the incredible gift it truly is. While many of us enjoy full refrigerators and overflowing grocery stores, it's a stark reality that millions around the world face hunger daily. This stark contrast between abundance and scarcity is a global issue that demands our attention. In some parts of the world, food is plentiful and waste is a serious problem. Supermarkets overflow with choices, and restaurants offer portions that are often too large to finish. Meanwhile, in other parts of the world, people struggle to find enough to eat. Children go to bed hungry, and families face the daily struggle of securing their next meal. This disparity highlights a fundamental problem. It's not just about the amount of food produced, but also about distribution, access, and our attitudes towards this essential resource. We need to bridge this gap. We need to find ways to create a more equitable and sustainable food system that works for everyone. This means addressing issues like food waste, supporting local farmers, and ensuring that everyone has access to nutritious and affordable food. The reality of global hunger is a stark reminder that food is a privilege, not a right. It's time we recognize this disparity and work towards a future where everyone has enough to eat. Our modern world often promotes a culture of convenience and excess, and sadly, food has become a casualty of this trend. We're bombarded with advertising that encourages us to buy more than we need, and pre-packaged meals and takeout options make it all too easy to prioritize convenience over mindful consumption. Social media plays a role too. We're constantly presented with picture-perfect images of food, encouraging us to seek out the newest food trends and Instagram-worthy meals. This often leads to overbuying, over-preparing, and ultimately more food ending up in the bin. Supermarkets contribute to this culture of excess by stocking shelves with an overwhelming variety of products, often in large quantities. Buy one, get one free offers, while seemingly good deals can lead to us purchasing more than we need, especially when it comes to perishable items. This focus on convenience and abundance has led to a disconnect between us and the food we consume. We've become accustomed to having an endless supply at our fingertips, making it easier to forget the value of food and the resources it takes to produce it. It's time to shift our mindset from one of excess to one of appreciation and respect for the food we have. The journey of food from farm to fork is a complex and labor-intensive process that often goes unappreciated. It's easy to forget that every ingredient we use, every morsel we consume, has been on a remarkable journey, shaped by the hands of many. It all begins with the farmers who dedicate their lives to cultivating the land and raising livestock. They work tirelessly, battling unpredictable weather and market fluctuations to ensure a steady supply of fresh produce and animal products. Then there are the pickers and packers who carefully harvest and prepare the food for transportation, ensuring it reaches us in the best possible condition. The journey continues with the transportation networks that move food across countries and continents, often covering vast distances to reach our local stores. Behind the scenes, food scientists and quality controllers work diligently to ensure food safety and maintain the quality of the products we consume. Finally, there are the retailers, chefs and cooks who prepare and present the food on our plates, adding their own skills and creativity to the process. Every step of this journey involves human effort, dedication, and a deep respect for the food we consume. Understanding this intricate process can help us appreciate the true value of food and encourage us to be more mindful of how much we waste. The real cost of waste is a heavy price to pay. Food waste is not just an ethical dilemma, it's a significant environmental, social, and economic problem with far-reaching consequences. When we throw away food, we're not just discarding leftovers, we're wasting all the resources that went into producing, processing, transporting, and packaging that food. The environmental impact of food waste is staggering. Rotting food in landfills produces methane, a greenhouse gas far more potent than carbon dioxide, contributing to climate change. We're also wasting vast amounts of water used for irrigation, and the land required for agriculture could be used for other purposes, such as reforestation or wildlife conservation. The ethical implications are equally concerning. In a world where millions face hunger, discarding edible food is morally unacceptable. The resources we waste could be used to nourish those in need and work towards a more equitable food system. Economically, food waste represents a significant loss. Farmers lose income, businesses face reduced profits, and consumers ultimately bear the cost of higher food prices. This cycle of waste has far-reaching consequences that impact us all. By reducing food waste, we can lessen our environmental impact, address food insecurity, and create a more sustainable and just food system for everyone. Gratitude on the table is about respecting the food we have. In a world of abundance and convenience, it's easy to lose sight of the true value of food. We forget the journey it takes to reach our plates, the resources used to produce it, and the hard work of countless individuals involved in the process. It's time to rediscover the importance of gratitude and cultivate a deeper respect for the food we consume. Gratitude for food starts with acknowledging its source. Take a moment to think about the farmers who toiled to grow the vegetables on your plate, or the fishermen who braved the seas to catch the fish you're about to enjoy. Recognize the effort and resources that went into every ingredient, from the water used for irrigation to the fuel used for transportation. Teach children where food comes from and involve them in meal preparation. When they understand the effort involved, they're more likely to appreciate the value of food and waste less. Avoid impulse purchases at the grocery store. Plan your meals, make a shopping list, and stick to it. This will help you avoid overbuying and reduce the amount of food that ends up in the bin. Respecting food also means appreciating its cultural significance. Food brings people together, strengthens communities, and preserves traditions. Explore different cuisines. Learn about the stories behind traditional dishes, and share meals with loved ones. By incorporating gratitude and respect into our relationship with food, we can transform our eating habits from mindless consumption to mindful appreciation. Small changes, big impact, taking action against waste. Reducing food waste is not about drastic lifestyle changes, it's about making small, conscious choices in our daily lives that collectively make a big difference. Here are some practical steps you can take to minimize your food footprint. Plan your meals. Before heading to the grocery store, plan your meals for the week and create a shopping list. This will help you buy only what you need and reduce impulse purchases. Embrace leftovers. Don't let leftovers go to waste. Get creative with your cooking and find ways to repurpose them into new meals. Store food properly. Proper storage can significantly extend the shelf life of your food. Invest in airtight containers, label and date your leftovers, and familiarize yourself with the ideal storage conditions for different types of food. Compost food scraps. Composting is a fantastic way to reduce food waste and create nutrient-rich soil for your garden. Understand expiration dates. Many food items are still safe to consume after their best buy or sell by dates. Use your senses to determine freshness and don't be afraid to eat something a day or two past its printed date. Support local initiatives. Many communities have food banks, soup kitchens, or food rescue organizations that collect surplus food from restaurants, grocery stores, and individuals to distribute to those in need. Volunteer your time or donate to these worthy causes. Remember, every little bit counts. By making conscious choices and adopting these simple practices, you can significantly reduce your food waste and contribute to a more sustainable future. Ensuring a brighter future means food security for all. Food is more than just sustenance, it's a fundamental human right. Everyone, regardless of their background or circumstance, deserves access to safe, nutritious, and affordable food. Achieving food security for all requires a collective effort from individuals, communities, and governments worldwide. We need to shift our focus from simply producing more food to creating a more equitable and sustainable food system. This means supporting smallholder farmers. Smallholder farmers play a crucial role in global food production. Providing them with access to resources, training, and fair markets is essential for ensuring food security, reducing food loss and waste. Addressing food loss and waste at every stage of the supply chain, from farm to fork, is crucial for freeing up resources and making more food available to those in need. Investing in research and innovation, developing climate-resilient crops, improving storage and transportation infrastructure, and finding innovative solutions to food waste are all essential for securing our future food supply. Promoting sustainable consumption patterns, encouraging individuals to adopt more sustainable eating habits such as reducing meat consumption and minimizing food waste can significantly impact global food security. Strengthening social safety nets. Social safety net programs such as food banks and school meal programs play a vital role in ensuring that vulnerable populations have access to adequate nutrition. Addressing food security is not just about feeding the hungry, it's about creating a more just and equitable world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. By working together, we can create a future where food is no longer a privilege but a right enjoyed by all.